Hey guys, welcome back. I cannot wait to do my first layout to play along with Mercy Tiara kits. We have our new kit called Nostalgia. I spent time fussy cutting all kinds of little treasures. I've got some of the labels punched out. So I've got some of those things. Guys, there's so many things to fussy cut and play with. And I mean, seriously, like, this needs to be a shaker pocket. We've got a great confetti mix. There's Vicki Boutin goodies. We have Echo Park, Simple Stories, all of the things. So in our newsletter, we have a sketch, and this is from creativescrappers.bigcartel.com if you want to go to their site. And I like it because it's like a block sketch, but you can use it for any line, anything. So what I thought I would do, since we do have this exquisite paper from Simple Stories called Fresh Air, and it's called Happy Vibes, note the chickens. I had this little tiny photo of myself holding a chicken, being mauled by a goat, hanging out with a pig, you know, like casual life, right? So I thought I would print my photo with a border kind of on the large side, have some cheeky chick paper next to it. So I'm going to use this paper. It's called Potter's Clay. It is a cardstock, nice and sturdy. Thought my photo could go there. And then this is a 6-inch wide photo. So this will have to be, you know, like just under 6-inch because I do want a nice border around everything, like a 1/4 inch. Then, so that paper will go there, you know, in this spot because I want the chickie next to me. Then up here, oh, but wait, there's more. I was thinking it would look really cute in my title block right here to have this heart paper because it plays off some of the yellow, so we can have that. Oh, and then there's more. For these pieces right here, I love this paper right here. I don't want too much of it because it's so much bolder than this one. So if I just have the strips coming down of it, you know, the 6-inch by knee of it, I can use that side as well as this side. Oh my gosh. So I've got a really good start. Now my alphas, I think I'm going to come in with these cool boy alphas. And if I can fit in, I'm going to have it read My Happy Place, and then possibly have some of my story, like just so many fun things I can do, and I want to use everything all at once. But let me get that base down. All right, guys, we're going to deal with a little bit of puppy snoring because that's my life. Let me show you what I've done so far. I did my background, and all of those pieces are stuck down. Then I started looking at my different feathers that I fussy cut from my Vicki Boutin feather stitch. I'm going to have 3 over here with my chickens. I'm going to grab this sticker from Vicki Boutin that reads this here. That's going to go over here-ish, but I think I want to grab a label, and then I'll have some kind of arrows pointing, because if you look in our sketch, we have that kind of vibe going there, but I don't want to cover up too many of my chickens because they are precious. Now I have got to find my labels that I do have. I do. Now I can either do them in my grayscale or in the color. I think I'll do some color because I've got some black feathers. Let's see, maybe the pinky color because there's some pink in here. Now I want the rounded ones. There's these that have, you know, like a decorative edging, and then we've got the rounded, and I want to use the pink to bring in a little bit of the pink that's in here. You know, it's a rosy pink, but I think it'll all work. So I'll cut that out nicely. This can be popped right up on some foam on that, and we'll find some kind of arrows. Hopefully the Vicki Boutin stuff has arrows. It usually does. It does. Okay. Being content, being brave, making things, write it down. I'm just looking at all of the different things, but there are great arrows. Ooh, a perfect day. This is what real life looks like. I'm going to be able to totally decorate. Perfect. Now, up here will be my title. And my title has all of these letters that will read My Happy Place. I'm going to have them coming down. I think I should do another label up there. And that might be a good spot to do this opportunity to bring in the other pink one, you know, for like a bit of a continuity kind of thing. And then I just have to pick how many feathers we have. So we have the My Happy Place. I totally wouldn't mind bringing in some of these gorgeous bits. We'll see. We will see. There are so many things I want to use. And I need to calm down because I'm very excited. Let's see. We've got, ooh, I could do one of those kind of labels. This one will bring in this hotter pink that's over here to do a nice tie-in. I like that. Ooh, take the photo, might be cute. I also like when you have a bit of a grid design, when you have things touching the other parts of the grids. So I am good with that. Now, what am I thinking? Wouldn't mind getting this shaker pocket that I decided we had to make. I don't know how we're gonna make it yet, but I wouldn't mind monkeying with that and seeing what I might want to do. That might even be kind of cool with this label near it on it. We can have this here, a little bit of sparkle and that. I think that would be super cool and really dimensional. Okay, now over here, we need to get this happy place. We have got some exquisite little piece. Ooh, look at these arrows. Oh my gosh. So guys, there are so many things. There are so many things. I think I better mess with getting these things cut out and stuck down, right? I should also decide, oh gosh, things are getting stuck to my adhesive. It just keeps getting better and better. This is my story, is so cute. My only concern here is some of the pieces are super bright and this is a little bit more subdued. This goes with that though. Wonder, ooh, you know what I could do? I'm gonna put that on a scrap of white cardstock and put it into this cluster to bring that over there. Okay, I'm starting to get some good ideas. Give me a moment. I'm gonna pop these pieces down and we'll see where we are. All right, y'all, so I did go ahead and zhuzh up this little block. I love my little shaker. I think that's so fun out of packaging. I have got my pink label sticker, this little Vicky Bouton sticker, not label sticker, it's a label, popped on, and then this label sticker is popped up on a little bit of foam. Here is my rub on, and it brings this pattern to here. So then I was thinking that I would like to, you know, have the feather bit going on. I would like to go ahead and kind of reproduce the feather vibe there. Oh, this is also a rub on, and I think it's cute and bright and brings in some of that pink. So I went ahead and I have these cut out. Now I just need to bend them up a little bit and make them a little bit less perfect. They're also scuffed with the side of my scissors. And I wanted to do this because, you know, feathers just are not like super clean and pristine, at least not this particular chicken. This chicken had a little sass. Didn't mind me holding it for, you know, short periods of time, but overall, Chicky Chick was working on the sass game, and, you know, I appreciate it. Like, who wants some random person coming up half mauling them? But I did. I couldn't help it. I am pro chicken. I thought it was so cute. All right, I'm going to put a couple labels there. Don't even know what's going where. And I already see that I'm going to be moving them around. Good to know. I'm going to have to move them a little bit lower. The reason being is I want to put these feathers kind of behind them. So those labels are going to, in effect, be my, how did I want that? Let's do the black in the front because I'm wearing black. The labels, in effect, are kind of like a grounding vibe for this part. So let's go kind of like so. I could come lower and have my happy place, or do I go right in the middle? That might be fun too. This feather is trying to cause havoc. All right, the blue guy needs to be a little bit lower because the black is the dominant feather. So cute. So we have that. I like it. I think it's fun. They're bent up. We've got great dimension going on. I need to get my happy place. So I think my title is going to be a little bit lower. Now, keeping in mind, I actually think it looks like the sketch. I think that's fabulous. I'm going to have to take the photo, kind of go in between the two on a wee bit of foamy stuff. I think it's super cute. Take the photo. And my son was taking the photo. So how fortuitous is that? Do a slight little scuff. I'm trying to remember to scuff up little bits when I can. I neglected to do that down here on this pink label, but I think it's okay. So take the photo, totally works, and it's gonna block some of that little red chair because, you know, there's no red in this. All right, I like that. Oh, Lordy. So for Happy in Place, I think this is gonna work just fine because this isn't popped up at all. So I wanna get those pieces down, then take a nice strong look at it because then I get to decide where to put all the little bits. You guys, I'm loving how this is coming together. I think I want to put a little bit more of this blue in. I'm wearing jeans and there's a little bit of the blue down in this piece that reads this here. So these are from our gorgeous Vicki Boutin die cuts. Now guys, I have the embellishment kit. I have the main kit, cardstock add-on, as well as the Valentine add-on. So I don't know at this exact moment what goes with what. But, okay, a little bendy bend to make me happy. But, you know, I just kind of pile everything together once I unbox it. Gonna give this a quick little scuff. Clearly a quick little tear. We don't care about that. It just makes it look more like mine when it's a little bit iffy. Little iffy. So I can't get that whole thing in. So I can chop it in half, and then that's going to allow me to use that for something else, which is kind of cool. So that fills in that space nicely. But then I love this So Good piece. I think it is cute. And it's one of those little, it's one of the cute little, oopsie, little throwaway bit. The cute little paper clips that we got. And remember, this little packaging piece here was the packaging for the paper clips. And we just did things, you know, however, and made it so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put that flower over that. So good. Guys, come on, how stinking cute. Okay, that's gonna stick up a little bit. So let me grab a little bit of double-sided adhesive and tuck that right in so it sticks down just a little better. Guys, how cute. So all I want to do now is come in with a little bit of the sequins because I have them here, so I can sprinkle them around, and also look through my fab stickers to see if there's things I want to do. Because, you know, as we talked about before, there are these arrows that are part of our design. So I want to make sure to get a couple of the Vicki Boutin arrows in, maybe some of these gorgeous little gold pieces. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at how stinking cute. And then we're gonna be done. We're gonna be done. Okay, so cute. We're going to get a memory documented. It is cute. We're using all kinds of things and I love it. I just love it. My happy place. That might be kind of cute connecting these two. Yeah, so I'm gonna just zhuzh a little bit. I'm gonna come back, show you my finished layout, but y'all, how fun is this sketch? All right, my friends, that is this layout done with some of those gorgeous little confetti pieces. Now, I chose to use just the gold and the navy in them because that helped tell the story I was doing more this time. But y'all, I love the green shade that is in there. I just wasn't highlighting it at this moment. I think it's super fun. I think it tells a story. There's a big honkin' photo of me on it. Lots of pattern paper, which I love, and that is that, and I completed the sketch. So guys, I'm gonna have some links down below for the website and the Facebook group. You can see what everybody's doing with this challenge, see what the design team is up to. Guys, and if you create with this kit, go ahead and tag us on Instagram as well. We wanna see what you come up with. All right, guys, a few still shots to follow, and I'm gonna get creating my next project. Bye for now, friends.